Hello students, welcome to biology class. Today's topic is pedigree analysis. So what do you mean pedigree analysis can be studied under today topic. Now students, you are discussing the concept genetics. In genetics we are going to understand about the character, inheritance, genetical disorders like this. So in human being, control cross are not possible. So the study of family history about the inheritance is used. So what it said means, suppose we are going to understand about the human inheritance, how the disorders, how the genetic problems are transforming in the human beings are understanding, and that understanding is not possible by control cross. So because of that, family history study here mentioned, study about the family history. ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಮ್ಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿದ್ದರು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ರೋಗ ಇತ್ತು, ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು, ಅವ್ರಲಿಂದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿನವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಸಂಬಂಧ, that is the meaning of study of family history. So family history ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ they can understand about the how inheritance is transforming in a particular family, right? Such analysis nodri, such analysis of genetic trait means character, it may be a feature, character it may be disease, character it may be disorder. So we are analyzing the trait, we are analyzing the disease, we are analyzing the genetic problem in a family by studying family history. By studying family history, ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಏನು ರೋಗ ಇತ್ತು, ಅವ್ರಲಿಂದ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂತು, ಅವ್ರಲಿಂದ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೋಯಿತು, that is the family history. So such analysis of genetic trait of several generation, yes, previous 4-5 generation, of several generation of a family is called pedigree analysis. In examination for 2 marks, the definition will be asked, pedigree analysis, and he will be give the problems on the topic pedigree analysis. Understood? So what it said, we are analyzing the previous generations, their genetic traits, how the genetic traits are transformed in a single family. Okay? So analysis of genetic trait in a several generation of a family is known as pedigree analysis, right? Now see, the representation or chart showing family history is called family tree or pedigree. We are understanding pedigree analysis means by with the help of representation of a chart, and the representation of a chart of a family history is known as family tree or pedigree. In human genetics, pedigree study is utilized to trace the inheritance of a specific trait, abnormality or disease. I told you here only, pedigree study in human being using for pedigree analysis human being ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ to trace means find out. What is going to be find out? How a specific disease ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, specific trait ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, character, specific abnormality ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, how this particular abnormality, disease, a character is inheriting, is transforming in a family, that can be trace. Yes, what do you mean trace? Find out. Tracing the abnormality, disease, specific trait in a family by using pedigree analysis. Okay. So in pedigree analysis, to study pedigree analysis, certain symbols are used in pedigree analysis. Suppose a square box, this is the indication of male. Suppose a round circle, indication of female. Suppose it is a diamond shape, it is a sex unspecified, means it is don't know whether it is a male or female, so it is called sex unspecified. Now here, now look at, this is box, empty box, and this is also box with dark shade. So square means male, circle means female, diamond shape means sex unspecified. Suppose they all are empty, means it is female, it is male, it is okay, unspecified. When the same thing, same symbols with the shade, it means affected individual. Say for example, it is a male, affected male. Say for example, it is a female, affected female. So for example, it is a sex unspecified, affected sex unspecified. So shade means affected, without shade means a normal one, right? It is a normal female, it is affected female. It is normal male, it is affected male. Then see, the square means male, circle means female. A connection between them, yes, it is a mating. It's a mating, a connection between them, it is a mating. We know what you mean this. Now see, double line, it is a single line between them. So double line between them, it is known as mating between relatives. Mating between relatives, which also called consanguineous mating, like this. Now see, this is the example, parents above and children's below. Okay, parents above, children below. See, it is a male, it is a female, both get married, and by marriage, after they producing two childs, one is female, another is male. So parent above, children below. Now come to this, parent with affected male child. How to draw this chart? See, it is a male, it's a female, and they having one affected, that too male child. So it is like this, they producing one male, square box, and they are mentioning affected means how to draw it. It is shaded one, so affected male. So here 5 unspecified unspecified offspring means, which is written like this. Okay, so this is a symbolically representation of normal, abnormal, mating individual of a family to trace the specific trait, abnormality or disease is known as pedigree analysis. Okay, I hope you understand this and make the notes by listening or observing this video. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.